How to create link in Google Meet. So to create a link on Google Meet, first thing you'll need to do is to go ahead and open up Google Meet on your device, and then from here select new meeting, which should find at the middle of your screen. So click on this and then select the type of meeting that you want to start. So you can create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule a Google Calendar meeting. So I'll simply select the schedule a meeting on Google Calendar, and that will take me here on Google Calendar. So in here, you just need to create a title for this meeting and then go ahead and invite guests for the meeting, and then add your time and date for this meeting, and then you should find the meeting link in here as well, so you can copy this and share this with anyone that you want to join the meet. And that is how to create link in Google Meet.